In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Levoit Lv-H128 air purifier. And I'm going to show you how to change out those dirty air filters to keep you breathing easy for the rest of the season. Hi, my name is Dan and welcome to the channel where I review products and gadgets to save you time and money. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. Having the right air purifier for your living space is important. With that being said, this air purifier is great for small spaces up to 161 square feet, either small bedrooms or offices. Along with its modern sleek looks, this air purifier comes with the ability to use essential oils placed on an aroma pad to freshen your home. Located on this air purifier is a little round button with an indicator light that is used to control the fan speeds, sleep, low, and high. And when using sleep mode, the indicator light will go off in 5 seconds so not to disturb your sleep. The innovation of this air purifier comes with not one but two air purifier filters that are placed on both sides. The filters themselves have a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and a charcoal filter. The true HEPA filter itself removes up to 99.97% of all small particles in the air, up to 0.03 micrometers in diameter, including mold spores, tiny dust particles, and particulates of smoke, and allergens such as pollen, dander, and dust mites. And last but not least, the carbon filter, which in this device is not the best filter as it could be. Instead of using carbon pellets, they use a carbon fiber mesh, which just is not as good. The purpose of this filter is to remove odors such as a dirty diaper, smoke if you live where I live, we have constant forest fires, and fumes. But don't let this little detail steer you away from this great little air purifier. With over 20,000 reviews ranking 4.6 out of 5-star rating on Amazon, and at a price point of $49.99 at current recording time, this makes an excellent choice for someone in a small area. If you're finding any kind of value so far out of this video, please hit the like button down below. Okay, so next let's go over changing those filters. The company recommends that you change your filters every 6 to 8 months. In my opinion, you should probably change them every 5 months. But that just depends on your location where you're at. It is also recommended you clean these air purifiers every 2 to 4 weeks just by vacuuming out the filter. To change your filters, you'll need new filters, which I'll leave a link down below where you get the OEM version of these filters, as well as the air purifier link. In just 5 easy steps, we can change these filters. First, we need to start by unplugging the device from the wall and turning it upside down. Step number 1, take out the old filters. Step number 2, use a vacuum to clean out the interior of the air purifier. Step number 3, put the new filters in. Step number 4, place the cover back on your air purifier. Step number 5, reset the indicator light on the front of your unit by pressing and holding for 3 seconds. That's it, we're all done. Good job. This is a great little air purifier. Me and my wife have enjoyed having this in our bedroom as we sleep. And you get a lot of functionality off this little thing for the money. And as always, God bless you and your family. Thanks for watching Dan's Gadget Reviews, and I'll see you guys next time.